The moments leading up to the tragedy.
My firstborn child, best friend and best big brother. I lost him in the most tragic and senseless way imaginable.
As Christine Maron mourns the loss of her son, 17-year-old Dominic Ferrell, she is also seeking justice as her attorneys launch an investigation into what they say were catastrophic failures in security at the Icon Brickell high-rise in Miami.
This is a complete lack of security on the building part as well as other parties whose responsibility was to secure the premises.
On June 8th, Ferrell was stabbed to death in his sleep inside his father's 34th floor short-term rental unit. Police say Kyril Kell, who was visiting from Arizona, was able to slip past security by following a group of people into the elevator, which normally requires a key fob. After getting off, he scoured several floors before walking into Dominic's unit through an unlocked door. Later that morning, Kell was found dead across the street after falling from a building at a construction site.
For this to happen in this way, at a building like this, with every failure that you can think of with regard to security happening is really just unexplainable.
Attorney Michael Haggard says the killer had been loitering in the lobby for hours before the stabbing. City of Miami Fire Rescue confirms they responded to a call at 11:17 p.m. on June 7th. 3 hours before the stabbing was called in, around 2:15 the next morning.
A trespasser under the law, not allowed to be there, no rational purpose, never approached by anyone, never approached by a security guard.
In a newly released statement from Icon Brickell's management, First Service Residential says it extends its heartfelt condolences to the victim's family and loved ones during this time of unimaginable grief and loss. This matter remains under active investigation by local authorities, and we are fully cooperating in the investigation.
My family is completely shattered and broken as we grieve his loss and try to pick up the pieces.
And this lawsuit is not expected to be filed until closer to the end of July next month. There are, of course, still so many questions regarding what happened inside Icon. Police maintain that this was a completely random attack. This could have happened to anybody inside. With that said, Dominic's mother tells us that they are starting a scholarship in Dominic's name. It will be applied to the 4 schools he attended. 3 of them are right here in South Florida. Live in Brickell, I'm Chris Hush, NBC 6 News.
All right, just heartbreaking. Thank you, Chris.